welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share about Project IDX by Google. So Google just released this online web-based development experience which you can access from anywhere, from any computer, from any program. And it has everything in one place. Basically, you write code, you build your code, and you run code. So this is the basic dashboard when you land on the home page, and then you see all templates. Let's click on it, and you have all different categories. For web app application, you have option for Angular, Next.js, simple HTML, React. It also has Vue.js. So whatever web app you would like to work on, you just click on that and it will do everything for you. Now for backend, they have options for Node.js, Go, Python, so you can try that as well. For mobile, you have filter, and also it has AI. So basically, you can create your AI app with just one click. And if you cannot find anything here, or you would like to create your own workspace, you have that option as well. So let's go back, and one another thing is you can import your report or you can build from scratch. So I tried to build from scratch. I used Next.js, so it did everything for me, and now when I click, it rebuilds everything, so all the changes will come here. Now you can see you have all the options here, like you have source control, you have run and debug, extensions you would like to add. So whatever you like, you can do that. Its logo, let's remove this. Okay, it removed the logo. Now we will say this is test app. So it created test app. We can put into the styling or h2 class too. Like we can just do this test app test on mobile too. So it will, like you say, it now we can say start and it will start. We need to authorize because it will access to the workspace. So we are going to authorize it and it will start loading our web page onto the mobile. So check everything here. Like now you can change the dimensions as well, and now you can see how it looks. Okay, so this is good as well. Web is good. Now you can also click on this preview link and it will open up basically URL. Now you can share this URL with your team so they can also check your work.